Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bully Kid checking in. On today's video, guys, we got the head, we got the setup, we got the milky sludge in here. We're gonna clean this off, right Charlie? Alright, so it's time to clean this head off. I want to start working on it a little bit more, but I don't want to work on it with all the sludge. It needs to get cleaned up a little bit. So how are we gonna do this? Well, good question. We're gonna be using what we have. So that includes super strength cleaner and degreaser. We also have some brake parts cleaner right over here. So we're gonna do this cleaner first, see what it can get done, clean it off with this, and then maybe we'll just like slightly mist it with some kind of oil so this thing doesn't start rusting on us. I also am gonna look for a paintbrush. With the paintbrush, we'll be able to clean up a lot of the contamination over there as well. So let's see what happens. The cool thing is all that should technically drip back in here, I hope. All right, let's get her done. The brake cleaner is actually doing a fantastic job getting the sludge accumulation that's on the bottom of it, just wiped it out right there. So it's starting to look a lot better already. We can see a lot more of the cam. So far so good. And obviously once we tackle this whole cam cap, we remove everything, that's when we'll really be able to clean the inside of the block. Right now, as long as I can just kind of do a base cleaning, I'll be pretty happy with that. And another view, guys, real close. Camshafts are looking much better. The solvent, the brake parts cleaner, is actually drying everything out, so it looks good so far. I just want to show you how bad the buildup is. Like if you look right past this, it's just all black. You can't see anything in there because that's all how hard the contamination stuck to it. Look at this part that we cleaned. You see the bare black right there, the foam casting? Yeah, it's coming off. It's not easy to take it off, but look how clean that is compared to this part, which I haven't even touched yet. Big difference. Alright boys, I think we're good at this stage of the game. Next video, we will be taking off the camshafts. We'll be making sure we take off the caps. The most important part of that is going to be to stay organized, because these caps that come off these specific locations need to be reinstalled in the same location. So organization is key to succeed. So stay tuned guys. Join me for the next video. We'll see you on the next one. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a